pile of tea under a tree. Frayed sleeves of a poorly tailored jacket, another waste life, searching for life, digging up graves, 'cause I've got something to say to the dead and buried. You know how my mind drifts, a small boat lost at sea, callow and rudderless, to say the least. And I swear on my mother's gravy that I didn't lie to you. It was only, as usual, confused. It was wrong of me to curse your family's name and your fame, and an answering machine that I knew you didn't know how to use. For how long must I lie awake? For how many long nights shall I keep digging up graves? I swear on my mother's gravy that I didn't lie to you. I just didn't tell the truth. Oh, fuck you guys. Show's over, dude. You gotta go.